What if I told you, your giant gaming rig is obsolete? We benchmarked 17 mini PCs against full-sized monsters, and the results will shock you, asterisk asterisk. This tiny $799 box outperforms PS5 Pro. The number 5 surprise? Beats a $3,000 desktop in 4K gaming. All purchase links below. Let's expose these pocket-sized powerhouses. Number 1. Beelink EQ14 Mini PC. Intel Twin Lake N150 features 4 CPU cores, 4 threads, a maximum turbo clock of 3.6 GHz, Intel UHD graphics 24EU, and 6 MB L3 intelligent cache. Compared to the Intel N100 CPU, its performance has improved by more than 10%. By optimizing the heat dissipation technology, the performance of EQ14 can be released up to 25W. This entry-level office mini computer has a dual gigabit network port design, which can also be used as a NAS and soft router. New design and Max 4T PCIe 3.0 SSD. The Beelink EQ14 N150 Mini PC has a single SODIMM slot and supports up to 16 GB of DDR4-3200 MHz RAM. It also comes with dual M.2 PCIe 3.0 2280 SSD slots. Single slot supports up to 2 TB, totaling 4 TB. EQ14 adopts a brand new laser cutting shell design, upgraded MSC 2.0 cooling system, and built-in power supply design. Only one cable is needed for the power supply, an external adapter is no longer required, keeping the desktop neat and clean. 4K display and upgraded cooling system. The EQ14 mini computer has dual HDMI and supports 4K at 60 Hz. Displaying and connecting dual screens can achieve more efficient multitasking. The Intel Twin Lake N150 can use the Intel Unison app to enable file and chat transfer between mobile phones and computers. The thermal design of the 2.0 upgraded version effectively dissipates the heat from the bottom air inlet, and the EQ13 can operate almost quietly in the stable test of 20W TDP. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6/BT 5.2 and dual-LAN. Beelink EQ14 N150 equipped 2.4G and 5G dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and BT 5.2, enables fast data transfer to meet your daily use needs. Number 2. ASUS ROG Nuke 970. Most mini PCs pack power-efficient hardware in a tiny package, which is enough for most use cases besides AAA gaming. Intel's Nuke series, now owned by ASUS, was always about giving gamers beastly hardware inside a tiny enclosure that can match desktop PCs in gaming performance, and the ASUS ROG Nuke 970 is all about that. This is a mini PC made for gamers. It packs a top-of-the-line Intel Core Ultra 9 185H mobile CPU, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 mobile GPU, 32 GB of DDR5 memory, and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. This combo can run every AAA game you can throw at it at 60 frames per second or higher in 1440p resolution and high settings. You can even game at 4K if you drop the settings to medium and use upscaling. The most impressive thing about the ASUS ROG Nuke 970 is its size. The thing's only slightly more elongated than regular mini PCs. Its 2.5-liter chassis is compact enough to fit on a busy desk, carry it with you in a regular backpack, and move around the house if you fancy gaming on your living room TV instead of in front of a monitor. Number 3. Raspberry Pi 5. Raspberry Pi has been a favorite of tinkerers and techies for years, and the latest iteration, Raspberry Pi 5, serves as a great base for a mini PC. It's also perfect for Linux, though you'll want to be confident in your tech prowess before opting for this unique gadget. Unlike everything else on this list, the Raspberry Pi 5 doesn't come with a case. That means you'll need to spring for additional accessories to get it ready for your desk. You'll also need to be comfortable downloading and installing Linux on your unit. For more details, check out our guide on how to get the Linux-based OS Ubuntu running on Raspberry Pi. For folks willing to deal with those drawbacks, there's a lot to love about Raspberry Pi 5. It is highly customizable, features 8GB RAM, 4K output, and a 64-bit quad-core ARM Cortex-A76 processor that delivers nearly 3 times as much processing power as the older Raspberry Pi 4. Toss in a low $80 price tag, and it's easy to see why the brand is so popular. Number 4. Minisforum 890 Mauritanian Uguias. Minisforum 890 Mauritanian Uguias Pro Mini PC is an ultra-thin processor manufactured using a 4nm process with the Ryzen 8000 series AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS CPU equipped with an AI engine. With 8 cores and 16 threads, the standard clock speed is 4.0 GHz, and the max boost speed is up to 5.2 GHz. Powerful graphics UM890 Pro desktop computer adopted the latest Zen 4 architecture. Cinebench shows up to 14% improvement in single-core performance compared to the previous generation Zen 3 Plus architecture. Featuring the AMD Radeon 780M with the revolutionary AMD RDNA 3 architecture that powers the next generation of AMD graphics on the GPU, it is designed for next-generation efficient high-performance gaming. 8K display output. This micro PC equipped with 2x USB 4, 8K at 60 Hz, 2x HDMI, 4K at 120 Hz, and 1x USB 4, 4K at 60 Hz, and 1x DP, 4K at 60 Hz, outputs, supporting multi-display with 4K and 8K displays. Provide you with a bigger and wider field of view and improve your work efficiency. USB 4 PD can drive a 15W mobile display with a single cable via the USB 4 interface. Asterisk if your monitor is overclockable, it supports up to 4K at 160 Hz in 4K mode when using HDMI. 2.5 gigabits per second LAN. It comes with two 2500 megabits per second LAN port, and expand its functions and improved performance of computer to a large extent and allows you to use more networks such as software routers, OpenWRT/DDWRT/Tomato etc., firewalls, NAT, network isolation etc. It supports auto power on, PXT boot, WOL, RTC boot etc. Just need you to send it in the BIOS. Number 5. Apple 2024 Mac Mini. The far mightier, way tinier Mac Mini desktop computer is 5 by 5 inches of pure power. Built for Apple intelligence, redesigned around Apple Silicon to unleash the full speed and capabilities of the spectacular M4 chip. With ports at your convenience, on the front and back. Looks small. Lives large. At just 5 by 5 inches, Mac Mini is designed to fit perfectly next to a monitor and is easy to place just about anywhere. Convenient connections. Get connected with Thunderbolt, HDMI, and Gigabit Ethernet ports on the back end. For the first time, front-facing USB-C ports and a headphone jack. Supercharged by M4, the powerful M4 chip delivers spectacular performance so everything feels snappy and fluid. Built for Apple Intelligence is the personal intelligence system that helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. With groundbreaking privacy protections, it gives you peace of mind that no one else can access your data, not even Apple. Apps fly with Apple Silicon, all your favorites, including Microsoft 365 and Adobe Creative Cloud, run lightning fast in macOS. So which mini PC deserves your desk space? At your gaming squad in the comments, we'll feature the best setup ideas. Want more savage tech showdowns? Smash like, share with your clan, and subscribe. We drop new hardware nukes every Friday. Ready to ditch your tower? All links wait in the description. Game on, legends!